So guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now this is another trendy song on TikTok right now. This song is trending but on UK, in the US, Nigeria, South Africa, wherever you are, you can dance this channel. It's sweet. You can see the sound is sweet, guys. You can watch the shorts that I'll be linking to this video, or you can just check my short videos. You will see this dance particular. I posted linking to this tutorial, so you can check it out and see how sweet the dance is. Now, if you're new to the channel, subscribe down below for me. Like this video, comment anything you like to comment for me. Just comment in the comment section, or just talk to anything you want to talk to. And I'll see you guys in my screen. So the first step in this tutorial is, don't mind my singing, guys, just to avoid copyright. I sing, guys, side to side. So it's 1, 2, go. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on now. So let's go. That's the first step, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think, guys, that's the first step, guys. So after doing that first step, the next step to do is and you hit still the front, hit baton. You go up, you go down. Forward, this 1, 2. 1, 2. So let's go. This 1, 2. 1, 2. So as I'm doing it, guys, just keep your phone stationary and follow me. Dance with me, guys. So it's 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Faster. 1, 2. 1, 2. Faster. 1, 2. 2. That's it, guys. Let's dance it from the start once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think, guys, see where it smashes, see where it synchronizes. That's how you have to do it too. So it's standing, come on. Then the third step in this tutorial, after this 1, 2, then 1, 2. Next thing is you circle your leg around. That is 1. Drop it. Then you kick his leg forward. His leg backward and go forward. So it's 1. Go forward. See me, guys. Follow me. 1. Drop. Go forward. Go forward. So it's 1, drop, go forward. That's the next step. You circle your leg around, drop, go forward. But yeah, you'll be fast about it a little bit. So it's like this. For that one, just throw 4 legs forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start over again from the beginning. Let's go. 5, 6 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen, guys. 4. And it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it like I can't realize? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you stop. So let's go. 5 from the start. 5, 6. Everybody, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I'm sounding so much. Listen, guys, while repeating that step twice. Once you have gotten the full 4 steps, I've seen it twice. Twice, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, okay, mate. Then the last final step. So the final step of this tutorial is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go down, go down, go down. So you do it till you're tired, till you stop. Anyhow, you want to end it, just end like that. But that's the final step, guys. Final step is just 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go. Let me dance that from the start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry guys, let's go. So that's it, guys. That is the dance tutorial, guys, for this particular trendy TikTok dance challenge. So if you love this video, please like this video down below, subscribe for me. In case you are finding any step difficult, just comment down below so that I can teach that step separately, probably in a short video for you guys. That particular step in a short video for you guys, so you guys can catch it up. I'll see you guys in my next. Don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. Don't forget to watch these videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.